Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a nice 2013 Harley Davidson Fat Boy Low I want to show you. Bike comes with a 103 motor and a 6-speed transmission. Vivid black color. Really a nice shape, low mileage bike. Excellent tires on it. Got the little fender trim up here on the front. The lower fork legs look real good. All the axle nuts and screws, and rotor, caliper, all that looks real nice on it. Good and clean. Got the black motor with the satin finished derby cover, primary cover there. That boy is a soft tail. Got the trim back here on this back fender as well. See, it's got a good tire on the rear. I'm not sure if that's the factory mufflers. I don't think it is. I think those are upgraded mufflers on there. The factory mufflers are a little bit bigger and they're that brushed aluminum look, and these are nice chrome slash cut mufflers on here. Got a real nice sound to it. This bike's got less than 1,000 miles, 966 miles, so it's not even warmed up. Yeah, that's upgraded exhaust on this bike. Sounds good. We ran it through our shop and checked it out, so it's got a good clean bill of health. Got some excellent options for financing and extended warranties too. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade. We're selling ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.